What are you doing? Ryder, no. Get down. Ryder. No. Lexi, you just kind of hanging out. Lexi, are you a good girl? Is that a good bone or something, Molly? Oh, maybe I don't want to know. Yeah, I think it's a bone. Did we got company, guys? Peyton. 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 What are you doing? Molly, you showing off too? Tough keeps barking, doesn't he? He's jealous. Tough wants to come and play. Lexi, are you comfy? Lexi, come here. Come on, Lexi. Just don't wanna. Come here. Lexi, come on. Just wag your tail faster. I don't think so. Peyton. Did your boy come outside? Did Hunter come out? No. Peyton, get down. Peyton. I bet Ryder tries it now. I wish Tough would quit barking. He's annoying. Peyton, no. No. Get down. No, Peyton. Go. Peyton. That's your boy, isn't it? And you're all over Ryder. Ryder. You're skinny mini, Ryder. You run too much. Molly.
What time is it, like 7?
Probably. Molly, a good girl? Molly. Peyton, what you doing? Oh, quit. It's not even hot. How come you're panting? Huh? Lexi? Just lazy, huh? Lexi, are you lazy? Stay down, guys. Come here, Lex. Come here. Good girl, Lexi. Ryder, sit. Lexi, a good girl?